Bill Foster on the mic.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Sophia, it's Valentine's Day Eve. I'm hoping that tomorrow you'll be a Valentine's for me. I would've bought you candy, I would've bought a card, but instead I'm sitting here rapping straight from my heart. I remember when you asked me out through a friend. The Sadie Hawkins dances where this love story began. You were Pocahontas, I was like John Smith. Our relationship took off like the colors of the wind. I got this love within, it seems hard to describe. If I was love sick, you were the medicine prescribed. You are like a drug, then I guess I am an addict. On and off 2 years, that makes this relationship sporadic.
Happy Valentine's Day, Sophia!
Love's real.
Love's real.
Life.
It's all for you, girl.
Love's real.